Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming designers who foster programming and innovation arrangements universally. It makes a worldwide market for registering power, and the processing assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and offbeat undertaking execution. Adaptable instruments assist the engineers with making and disperse, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This large number of administrations are accessible for an expense similarly not as much as contenders. The Golem environment means to give programming advancement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the fate of web blockchain, accessible and open for everybody. Elements of Golem. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits shared networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is portrayed by availability, open access, oversight, safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless environment is a shelter for programming engineers. SDK assists with grasping their imagination and grandstand ability to the world. The registering power can be examined as the two frameworks as a help and programming as an assistance. The installment frameworks are effectively available, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they declared the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client utilization administration. The organization has presented Thork, the primary mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more elevated level local area commitment. Golem directs a prize administration program regularly, which guarantees fabricating an immense client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been partitioned into metal, dirt, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with a task called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem has confidence in the chances of Web3 and joined forces with Crowd, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better advancements in the framework. It's gone on up degree in innovation principles gives programming designers to track and run with the product development world. GNT to GLM movement. Golem organization token GNT is moved into GLM. GNT was the previous badge of the Golem organization, which has begun to move into GLM toward the finish of 2020. GLM is an ERC20 token. Its critical exchange costs have applied the expense of relocation exchanges in Ethereum in light of the fact that Golem's new exchange network is developed in Ethereum Layer 2. In any case, this movement cycle is going on. The explanation for the relocation is that the coin sent off in 2016 ERC20 token was very little well known. ERC20 is currently unreservedly open in Layer 2, DeFi, and decentralized trades. Expanded acknowledgement, usability, and adaptability of ERC20 have caused Golem to relocate into another coin. There are predominantly three choices for movement. First is relocating with the web utilization of Golem called MetaMask. The second is relocation from the Golem application assuming that you have an extra Ethereum account. The third is bringing in Golem keys to MetaMask. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a coursing supply of 1 billion GLM. As of now, the vast majority of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after a gigantic convention. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% pessimism last week. Despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the unsurpassed high of GLM on Golem cost forecast, it ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are profoundly demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has tremendous development potential. Specialized examination of Golem. The Golem cost today is around 39 cents. And it confronted a slight rectification with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The greatest cost as of now is enrolled at 43 cents, and the base cost is 39 cents. The untouched exorbitant cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. And everything time low is noted at $0, which was in 2016. Verifiable information in the specialized examination mirror that in the month-to-month outline from 2018 to 2022, Golem cost has on around base development executing little worth exchanges. The GLM cost rise has seen bullish toward the start of the year. From June 22, 2021, the cost of the Golem has started an upswing which wound up at a cost of 78 cents from 76 cents low. Then, at that point, after a cost remedy on Golem tokens took support at 50 cents with a Morningstar development. Yet, the upturn couldn't be supported, and GLM cost began moving sideways for the last scarcely any exchanging meeting. Dissecting the obstruction and backing levels on the everyday diagram, the following opposition level is 49 cents. On the off chance that GLM cost can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the obstruction level at 60 cents. The quick help level is 34 cents. And the significant help level is 27 cents. Dread and veracity record is 45. Significant specialized pointers for transient cost expectations on the everyday diagram information. Relative strength list is 35.13. MACD line is underneath the sign line. The cost of Golem is under 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA. In light of specialized examination and GLM cost expectation, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem cryptographic money is decently negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give a legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and brokers can stand by to affirm the pattern over the opposition level prior to making a transient speculation. In light of the close-term Golem gauge, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame on the off chance that no news or digital money market bullishness is upheld. Golem value expectations, 2022 to 2026. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a beneficial speculation gives a decent revisitation of the long haul. Estimates for quite a long time show Golem GLM be valued at 77 cents, which is multiple times productive than its ongoing worth. According to specialists' estimates, put resources into plunge and sit tight at changes in cost. The cost-volume pattern of the drawn-out cost diagram from 2018 to 2021 appears to be fascinating. Note the critical cost change on the graph. The cost-to-volume marker is profoundly unpredictable, which shows some time the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have disparities in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging segments. The explanation for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which vacillates and for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, digital forms of money are supposed to be exceptionally demandable since they annul the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem value expectation 2022. Golem figure information for 2022 is reasonably bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit money management to contact a limit of 56 cents. In light of the drawn-out conjectures, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Merchants can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire huge benefits from their venture. Golem crypto value forecast 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents separately. GLM value expectation 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Essentially, dealers and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of Golem. In 2024, Golem could exchange with a typical cost of 61 cents and is supposed to outperform 72 cents around the same time according to